What's up, everyone? Dr. Zeeshan here. I've been kind of looking around on Facebook and Reddit and just some posts just in general of people not being able to pass their board exams and feeling like this defeat, like you've given up or you don't know what to do anymore. Like, what should I do? Where do I begin? Like, why am I not passing these boards? Everyone else is passing these boards. So I'm gonna actually be doing a webinar. Now, my one promise to you is I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not even going to talk about our course, okay? I'm not even going to talk about anything NCLEX High Yield related. All this webinar is for those of you that passed and are feeling defeated. If you don't know a little bit about me, I failed my step one 5 times before I passed it. So I know what it feels like to be lost. You lost all the people around you that are all passed and now they're working. This is a strict motivational webinar. It's going to give us some structure. It's going to give you some hope. It's going to give you what I needed when I kept failing and failing and failing. It's not a sales pitch. Again, I'm not talking anything sales related. All I'm doing is I'm telling you where to begin, how to get back into the rhythm, not to give up on yourself, and just know where to start. There's a lot of great resources out there, a lot of free resources out there as well too. And I'm just gonna go through and talk about how to not give up on yourself, because I almost did many times. And I read these comments and I feel so bad because I was there. At the end of the day, don't give up. You started this journey for a reason. Join me on this webinar. If you are already in an NCLEX High Yield course, please do not attend. You will take away a spot from somebody who truly needs this. There are only 100 spots available and it will fill up quick. Those of you that come to my free weekly Zooms know that we fill up 1,000 people on those weekly Zooms. This is a strict webinar. Again, it's not a sales pitch. I'm genuinely going to tell you my journey and I'm going to show you how you can get back on track. So don't give up. Join me this Thursday. All the information will be posted on Instagram and on Facebook. And again, just get ready to be motivated. I'm gonna motivate you. You're going to do this. You're meant to do this. Again, Dr. Zeeshan here, and I will see you on Thursday. Take care.